So we've got some replacement batteries, 2032, good quality ones as recommended by Land Rover, should last a decent length of time. So we've got the key fob, we need to get it apart. There's a little arrow there, slide that way. Bit fiddly, goes with the click, prizes off, he says, and then reveals the emergency key. This just slides out and will come in handy in a moment. And then we have to separate the two halves, this plastic cage. You could try it with a screwdriver, but you don't need to, because the little emergency key opens up like that. And there's a little slot just here, which it goes into, a gentle turn, and that pops it open, revealing the battery. So that just needs to pop out. The new one needs to pop in. Again, try not to touch the underside of the battery with your fingers, because the moisture just drains the battery. It won't last so long. So then put it back together. It just clips together somehow. Clips back together like that. Remember to put the emergency key back in. Just slides in. Now there is a right way and a wrong way to do this, because one way it stands a little bit proud and the other way it doesn't. I'd say that's the right way. We'll soon find out if this bit fits. With the arrow at the key ring end. Just clip it back together, and there we go. That's it, simple as that. Now we'll go and try, see if it works.